Good news guys, Facebook is now monetizing African creators from anywhere you are in the world. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a monetizable Facebook account from anywhere you are in the world. Guys, you don't actually need to stress yourself in order for you to do this. So if you know you already have an existing Facebook account, you could actually turn this existing Facebook account into a monetizable page. And you could actually start making money from this page. All you need to do right here is just log in into your Facebook account and head over to your profile section right here. So once you click on your profile section, it's actually going to take you straight to this page right here. And you guys can see right here that I already turned my Facebook account into a monetizable page. So basically the network is kind of slow, but let's just wait for it to just load up. So you guys can see right here that I currently have over 2,000 followers right here on Facebook. So in order for you to actually turn your personal Facebook account into a Facebook page, all you need to do is just click on this menu button right here. So once you click on the menu button right here, it's going to take you straight to this page. So all you need to do is just scroll down a bit. So you're going to see where it says turn to a professional mode. So once you actually click on switch to professional mode right here, your Facebook account is actually going to be switched to professional mode. So because I already switched my Facebook account to a professional mode, that's why it's actually saying I should turn off professional mode. So I hope you guys can see that. So all you need to do is just locate where it says turn off or turn on professional mode. So once you click on that right here, your Facebook account is going to be turned to a page. So basically all the friends you already have on Facebook, it's actually automatically going to be converted to followers. So basically, let me quickly just walk you through the Facebook monetization page. All you need to do is just click on this menu button right here, then head over to your menu. So once you head over to your menu, just head over to the professional dashboard. So once you click on this professional dashboard right here, it's going to take you straight to this page. So you're going to see how many views you have gotten, the engagements you have gotten, stuff like that. So for you to be monetized on Facebook, you need to have at least 5,000 followers and you need to have 60,000 watch views right here in the last 60 days. Basically, once you have all this, you'll be able to make money from all the available monetization options that Facebook provides. Basically, you'll be able to make money from the star right here. So if you click on the star right here, your fans could actually send you stars. Stars is actually kind of similar to the YouTube super thanks. So if you are into the YouTube partner program, you understand what I mean by super thanks. So it's kind of similar to each other. So another way you could actually make money from Facebook is by the ads on Reels. So basically, Facebook could actually place ads on your Reels. So you could actually make money from ads. Same thing also applicable to YouTube, that YouTube is actually going to be placing an advertisement on your video, and whenever people clicks on it, you're actually going to be getting paid basically. So there are various ways you could actually make money from Facebook. You can also make money from the in-stream ads. So this in-stream ads is kind of Reels, so you could actually make money from your Reels basically, and also you could also make money from the subscription part also. So people could actually subscribe to a membership or stuff that you are kind of offering. So once people subscribe to it, basically everything Facebook is actually bringing right here is just similar to YouTube. You can also make money by also going live. So basically Facebook is actually going to pay you for going live. So basically you guys can see right here that going to be meeting the requirement soon. So basically you can see right here that the threshold is already counting right here. So soon I'm going to be meeting up the requirement soon, but once I meet up the requirement soon, I'm going to be creating a new video right here, updating you on how everything is actually going. But if you know you're getting any value from the video so far, please don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because my channel is all about making money online. So another question on your mind right now is, how can we actually meet up with the requirement? So basically, how you could actually meet up with the requirement is by actually posting content on your Facebook account basically. So you need to start posting content, you need to niche down. So if you know you want to niche down, you could also niche down. But if you know you want to be posting random stuff, it might actually be a bit more difficult for you to actually grow to gather followers. But another trick that I actually find right here for you to be able to gather more followers right here is for you to head over to your friends section. So if you head over to the friends section right here on Facebook, you could actually send a bunch of people friend requests. So once these people actually accept your friend request, automatically they're actually going to turn to your followers. That is how you could actually get a lot of followers right here from Facebook. So you'll be able to meet up with the Facebook requirements. So guys, it's right here that I have a lot of friends requests right here. So if I actually confirm all these friends requests right here, they're actually going to automatically turn into my followers. So all you need to do is just add as much friends as possible that you could add, so that you'll be able to get a lot of followers right here on Facebook. But in order for you to actually get a watch minutes right here, for you to be able to get into the Facebook monetization option, you need to post a lot of videos. You need to make sure people are watching your video. So the more video you post, the more views you get, the more watch time you're actually going to be accumulating. So basically, once you have all these requirements in place right here, Facebook is actually going to notify you that you are now eligible. So basically you could just start making money right here from your Facebook account. And I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you know you did, please don't forget to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So if you know you want to learn more ways you could actually use to make money online, I'm going to advise you to check out the video popping right on your screen. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video.